The iPhone 17e is on its way, and one thing everyone is hoping for this time is more color options. The iPhone 16e was a solid device, great performance, nice design, but when it came to colors, Apple played it way too safe. Just black and white, that's it, 2 colors. For a phone that people use every single day, a phone that's part of someone's identity, that's not enough. The iPhone 16e gave no room for self-expression. If someone wanted a bit of personality, the only choice was to buy a colorful case and cover the actual design of the phone, which, honestly, defeats the point of having a sleek Apple design in the first place. This time, Apple really needs to bring a factor of excitement to the iPhone 17e lineup. People are bored of the same classic colors. Yes, black and white are timeless and they should definitely stay, but there should be at least 4 colors this time. 2 classic ones and 2 bold ones that make you feel like your iPhone actually reflects your personality. Imagine holding an orange iPhone 17e, bright, warm, and full of energy. It would instantly stand out in a crowd. Or a purple iPhone 17e, elegant and different with that premium Apple feel. Purple has become a fan favorite in recent years, and bringing it to the 17e would make a lot of people happy. By the way, which color is your favorite? Feel free to in the comments. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Now, Apple should also consider bringing back product red iPhone 17e for people who like bold and confident choices. Red iPhones always have this special appeal, not just because they look amazing, but also because they're connected to Apple's Product Red initiative, which supports a good cause. Adding that to the 17e would make it both stylish and meaningful.
Colors may seem like a small detail, but they make a big difference in how people connect with their devices. Think about it. When someone takes their phone out, it's more than a gadget. It's part of their lifestyle. Some people love minimalism and would go for black or white, while others want something that reflects their vibe. Giving users more choices helps them feel more attached to their phones. And honestly, in today's world, where customization and personal expression matter so much, limiting a phone to only 2 colors feels outdated. Apple has always been known for design innovation, but lately, it feels like the excitement has faded a little. The iPhone 17e is Apple's big chance to bring that spark back, not just with colors, but with a design that feels fresh and modern. Furthermore, rumors say the new iPhone 17e will have a 6.1-inch OLED display, powered by Apple's A19 chip, and it might finally adopt the dynamic island instead of the old notch. The 48-megapixel main camera and upgraded selfie cam are expected to deliver sharper, brighter photos, while the battery and overall performance should see a solid boost. Basically, it's shaping up to be fast, smooth, and reliable. Everything we expect from Apple. But here's the thing. Great specs alone don't create excitement anymore. Imagine walking into an Apple store and seeing not just black and white, but a bold orange, a deep purple, a soft gold, or even a classic red. A few new colors could completely change how people feel about the phone, because color is emotion, it's style, it's personality. So yes, Apple, we need more than just performance. Keep black and white, but add something fresh, something bold. Because when someone opens that iPhone 17e box and sees a bright new shade shining through, that's the moment they feel the magic again. The iPhone 17e deserves that excitement. What are your thoughts about the iPhone 17e new colors? Which one do you want to see? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.